An onload tap changer, OLTC, shall mean an onload voltage regulator. As the term implies, the main purpose of this device in transformers is to regulate the voltage under different loads. Since an onload tap changer constitutes the only component of a transformer that has moving members and contains more than 300 individual parts, its servicing and maintenance require routine inspections, as well as involvement of certified professionals. There are two types of design for onload voltage regulators, depending on the oil system features. In the first case, a tap changer contactor is located in a separate tank on the insulator, and in the second case, the device is located either inside the transformer tank or in a separate tank with transformer oil contained. In this case, the onload tap changer oil is responsible for quenching an electric arc that may occur when the contactor switches to operating position. Recurrent arcing degrades the oil. The situation is also aggravated by the contacts heating up, which rate rises with an increase in transition resistance. In order to ensure that onload tap changer oil performs its functions properly, its breakdown voltage shall be at least 30 to 40 kV and its moisture content shall not exceed 30 parts per million. Other onload tap changer oil characteristics, color, acidity, carbon content, are less critical and do not affect the possibility of using an arc quenching medium in the contactor tank. In order to monitor the breakdown voltage, GlobeCore recommends using specialized torque instruments. These instruments allow testing the oil with a maximum breakdown voltage of 60, 80, or 100 kV. While it is recommended to monitor the moisture content by means of Tor1 Express tester. One of the important features of Tor testers is the ability to use them in the field, which is facilitated by a built-in battery. The actual testing process is performed automatically and speedily, allowing you to timely detect any deviations in oil parameters and take the appropriate measures. If the test results show that at least one of the parameters does not meet the standards, moisture content or breakdown voltage, the tap changer tank oil should be changed. However, frequent change is not cost-effective. Thus, it is advisable to process the oil for moisture removal and to increase the breakdown voltage for reuse. In order to address this task, GlobeCore professionals have developed a thermal vacuum processing technology that is implemented in compact and mobile CMM-0.6 plants with a capacity of up to 600 liters per hour. This capacity is normally sufficient for timely maintenance of the onload tap changer oil system. The main advantages of the 0.6 plant include the following. Breakdown voltage increased up to 60 kV. Moisture content reduced to at least 10 parts per million. A special system for protection against foaming, which is very likely to occur during water cut oil processing. An oil leak sensor available. In case of leaks, the plant automatically stops running and alerts the operator to that effect. Noiseless operation. Ability to connect to a standard power outlet. Thus, the GlobeCore technology ensures comprehensive maintenance of onload tap changer oil systems, enhances their operational reliability, and extends their service life. And what kind of equipment do you use for maintenance of onload tap changer oil systems? Share your experience of using this equipment in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technologies for onload tap changer oil maintenance can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.